Hi there, this is Joan of Art, and that's Pasit. So tuba is a kind of harvest. It's harvesting the banana fruit from its tree by felling down the entire tree. Because after that, the tree is, well, it will not yield any fruit anymore. It's just a one-time thing. And we are excited right now because we are going to harvest a bunch of bananas from this tree. In Ilonggo, it's called tuba. So, Pasit here is going to tuba the banana. Banana is called saging. So, it doesn't matter if it's a fruit or a tree, it's called saging. There are many varieties of bananas, and this one, the one that we're harvesting, or the one that we're doing the tuba, is sab'a. That's the sab'a variety. By the way, the withered banana leaf that Pasit is holding is called ramay. She's chopping down the tree and dali lang gid. Wait a minute. Wait, not here. I'm right here. This is challenging. Ooh, timber! Wow. So there you go. A bunch of bananas.
Ay, luto na bigyan tayo.
Wow, luto. Luto means ripe. Okay, it's luto because it's yellow. A bunch is called bulig. Huh? That's bulig, while the section here is called sipi. And a piece of banana is bilog. Pila? How many? Oh, ikaw isip. Count it. Okay, even people and Jaja, they're very excited about it. So, Pasit chopped it off the tree. One bulig of banana. One bunch. Pasit is counting how many sipi do we have per bunch or bulig of banana. Siyam. Siyam is 9. So we have 9 sipi of bananas. Wow. Let's
bugat daw.
Okay, it's pretty heavy. Bugat is heavy. Okay, there's one. There's one piece, isa kabilog.
Kakas.
Nakakas. Kakas means taken off or removed from the banana. Tuwangan tani. Tuwangan means to help each other carry this thing. Okay. Punta is one end. Ouch. And wow, this is exciting. This is our first banana harvest. Yay!
May puso pa kaming kwaon.
Puso is the banana heart. Pasit took the heart of that banana. Oh, the heart is called puso because puso is also the heart. It's also called okay, wow! There you go. Easy, that was fast. So, wow! Success, where is it? Yun na. Okay, isa ka puso sang saging. One banana heart. All right. Yeah, nabadbad is to loosen off from its main part. So if the banana heart is nabadbad or the banana bunch is nabadbaran of that heart, it's now time to remove the heart from its bunch, like this one. So you can only remove the banana heart if it's nabadbad. You see that? The heart has already nabadbad from its bunch. Whoops! Whoa, there you go. This is the pusod, or in English, the umbilical cord, kind of like the umbilical cord. Or that was used to be the flower, or where the heart was. If the pusod is removed from the tips of the banana fruit, the whole bunch is ready for harvest. This is Joan of Art and people! Like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye-bye for now. There goes the heart now. It's lunch. Coupled with bangus, milkfish. Perfect, perfect, perfect. With rice as well. Cooked here, right at the farm. Thank you, Pasit.